Have you ever gotten to the end of a fundraising conversation and felt nervous and maybe fumbled your ask, or found yourself softening your ask because you thought the person just wasn't that into it? Yeah, I've been there, but here's the thing. Your best chance of getting someone on board isn't always about reading their signals. It's about delivering your ask with confidence and expectation every time. And in this video, I want to share with you 4 powerful ingredients to build a call to action that moves people to say yes. Hey everyone, and welcome to this episode. So you probably already know this. An effective call to action is a confident call to action. But confidence isn't something you either have or you don't. It's something that's built through practice and through repetition. When you know how to do something well, you do it with confidence, and the exact same thing applies to your fundraising and to your call to action. Yet still so many people are winging it. They deliver their call to action differently depending on the person, the mood, or how into it they think the person is. And this inconsistency in the way that they're delivering their call to action is creating a lot of inconsistency in the results they're getting. Today, I'm going to show you how you can build a call to action that you can deliver like a pro. And even if you decide not to use my framework, I'm quite confident that there's going to be some ideas and insights from this video that you can add or apply to your own call to action to make it even more powerful. So here is my 4-step framework for developing a powerful call to action. We'll start with empowerment. Now, I created a video on this empowerment bridge, so if you want to find out more, go check that video out. But essentially what the empowerment part of your call to action is it's a bridge. It's the thing that allows you to use the positive, inspirational energy that you've developed through your story and bring that into your call to action. So it allows you to add more power, more emotion, more connection, more inspiration to your call to action, and allows you to use that energy. It also creates a really smooth transition that doesn't make your call to action kind of feel like salesy. It feels like a natural sort of next step. So it might sound something like this. Now remember, you've just come out of your story, you've ended it on a high note, and then you come straight into your empowerment statement. So as incredible and powerful as this work is, the reality is it only happens because of people just like you. People who stop, who listen, who understand just how important this is, and who choose to take action. This is not just feel-good fluff, this is framing, right? It lets the person feel a part of the solution even before you've asked. So step 2 is where we want to add some urgency. Now, I don't always add urgency. I only really add it if it's something that's real and it is something that's urgent. You can leave urgency out if you have a really good, powerful empowerment statement. But let's face it, most causes, would benefit from support sooner rather than later. So urgency is a great thing to add, which really adds and shifts the conversation to more the why now? Why does this moment matter? Why does taking action now make a difference? And it doesn't have to be super dramatic, but it has to be really clear and powerful. By becoming a supporter today, you'll help us provide life-saving treatment to many more children just like Jacob. Today, you can change the course of a life. Urgency moves people from good intentions to real action. So step 3, this is where you want to make what you're offering really simple, right? This is where you're going to be explaining what it means to become a supporter. You're going to be laying out a really simple, clear, and easy path to support. You want to make it seem really simple, really easy, and like no big deal. And becoming a supporter couldn't be simpler. We'll just take a few quick details so we can keep you connected with the incredible impact you're making. You'll choose a monthly donation that feels right for you, something that's sustainable, and most importantly, something that brings you joy, knowing that you're supporting an incredible cause. And that's it. It just takes a couple of minutes. So when we know this really well and we can deliver it with calm confidence, we first of all sound more professional and more trustworthy, but we're also setting out like a roadmap. We're making it super easy. There's no guesswork, and allows us to ask our final question with far more confidence. So step 4, delivering your ask. Here's the moment everything has been leading towards. You don't want to be hinting, you want to be asking. I'd love to get you on board today. Shall we do it? So how you say this is massively impactful. You want to keep good eye contact, you want to have good posture, and you want to say it like you expect them to say yes, and then pause. No, seriously, do not be the next person to speak. After you've asked your question, just wait for their response. And I know this can be really uncomfortable. A few seconds can feel like minutes or hours, but it's super, super important that you don't backpedal, you don't over-explain, you don't start rambling. Just allow them to respond, and then you can deal with the response, right? It might be an objection, it might be a yes, it might be something else, but allow them to respond, and then you can deal with whatever they say. So those are the 4 ingredients to a powerful call to action. So let's quickly recap. Number 1, you have empowerment, placing them at the center of the solution. Number 2, we have urgency, why their action matters right now, today. Number 3 is the offer, a clear, simple path forward. And number 4 is where we want to give a direct and confident invitation to join. So here's what I recommend you do. Write out your ideal call to action. Now, you don't have to use this framework. Maybe you can use it as inspiration, or maybe you like it and you want to adopt it. Whatever you want to do, that's great, but write it out, practice it, rehearse it, record it, and get to the point that you can deliver it so smoothly each and every time. And you don't even have to deliver it word for word the same every time. But once you know, once you internalize your call to action, you'll be able to focus far more of your attention on your body language, on your tone, on their responses, and you'll be able to deliver it with far more effectiveness. And I think the delivery of your call to action is probably far more important than the words that you say. So once you have that ideal call to action, just practice the crap out of it until you know it really well, and then deliver it like that every single time. Even if you think someone's not that into it, they're not giving me signals, they're looking away, whatever it might be, just deliver it every time as powerfully as you'd like to deliver it. And honestly, you will see some really remarkable results. The amount of people that I've signed up that I thought there's no chance, this person is so not into what I'm saying, and then they've just said yes. It's ridiculous. So try it out yourselves. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, I would love to hear from you in the comments below. And until the next one, stay inspired and keep fundraising.